Supreme Court ruling means the case against a teenager accused of sexually assaulting a female student at school will move back to adult court. So take a look at this. This video is of a past appearance for Jeremiah Thornton. Prosecutors say in 2023, when Thornton was 15 years old, he allegedly raped a 14-year-old girl during school hours at Westside High. A district court overruled a motion to move Thornton's case to juvenile court, but that decision was reversed by the Nebraska Court of Appeals, saying the district court abused its discretion. However, today, the state Supreme Court overruled the reversal, saying the appeals court was wrong and the district court did not abuse its discretion. This can be tough to follow, so breaking it down for you now, this basically means Thornton's case goes back to the district court.